In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Plexie look awesome. You may want to also watch our videos on using cards and organizing your Plexie. After this short video, you'll be making your Plexies look as good as this one. It's all done with cards and section properties, and of course, your creativity. Let's work on this simple Plexie. I'll start with section properties. Click on the gear icon at the top of the section. This opens the section properties. Click on Color, then the first box. You can see you can use your mouse to select virtually any color. If you have specific colors, you can put in the hex or RGB codes too. Opacity sets the transparency in relation to the cards. Instead of a solid color, I'm going to use an image. Click on the section Fill Media toggle. Click Upload, then choose a file to upload. Find your image and click Open. Now click Set Image as Background. Note that you can change the opacity on the image too. The higher the number, the more opaque the image is. Play around with the properties. You can't hurt anything. One of the things I like best is to make cards clear, like this. When you think you have the section right, click Close to get a better view. At any time, you can switch to View mode to see what it will really look like. I want some more space. You can use empty cards to create space too. Don't forget to view. That's much better. Let's add a card. Card properties overlay the section properties. Pick a card and click on its gear icon. Again, you can add a background color or an image, just like with sections. I'll add an image. Remember that a background image can be written over and the text can be formatted. That is about it. Learn these basics and let your creativity run wild. You will be surprised at how fantastic your Plexies can look. Be sure to check out our other videos where we tell you how to write, organize, and share your Plexie. Good luck!